Hi everyone, welcome to Chinese Voyage. So in this lesson, we will continue to learn another three initials. Ji, 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 ju. Please know that when we say ju, we will write the pinyin in this format. So ji will never be combined with the vowel wu. So when you see the pinyin like this, you should pronounce it as ju. Once again, ju, ji, ju, ji, 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 ju. So like the last one, for the pinyin chu, we will write in this format. And also the initial qi will never be combined with the vowel wu. So when you see the pinyin like this, you should pronounce it as chu, chu, xi, yu, xi, 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 yu, xu. So the same here. For the pinyin shu, we will write in this format. And also the initial xi will never be combined with the vowel wu. So when you see the pinyin like this, actually it's yu. So we will pronounce it as shu, shu, xi, shu. Here you will see some pinyin units together with the tone marks. Each of them form a vocabularies. Let's practice the pronunciations with me. 积极，积极，及格，及格，几何，几何，距离，距离，举例，举例，具体，具体，崎岖，崎岖，其他，其他，骑马，骑马，歌曲，歌曲，乐趣，乐趣，唏嘘，唏嘘，喜剧，喜剧，呼吸，呼吸，许可，许可，继续，继续。So here again, in this vocabulary, there are two third tone characters arranged together. So according to the tone change rules, the first ones will change from the third tones into the second tones. So it becomes 许可. So in order to let you get familiar with the pinyin writings and the pronunciations, I prepare pinyin worksheets for you guys as exercises. So the download link is ready at the descriptions below. You can also find it in the curriculum of Pinyin course at our site. Please make sure you practice it and come back to move on to the next lessons when you are ready. For more courses you can explore in the Chinese Voyage and keep your momentum, please check out the links in the description below. We have drawn a very clear and steady learning path for you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!